Hi, my name is Joo Hong. I'm a property owner and a property coach from Marco and Friend. And today I'd like to talk about Micky. So Micky is a friend that I know from Marco and Friend community, and he is doing renovations, and he is very good in that. So I have a few projects that I work with him. One of them is that my tenant want to extend a room. So he can do that job in within 1 day, and then after doing the job, right, we found that the switch has not been switched. The lighting switch is not working in the new room that we created. So immediately within 1 to 2 hours, he done the job and completed within the same day. And then the property has now been rented out in a short period of time. So I really thank him. And then I have another project which the area is very big, so I plan to make it into a multiple 3 keys unit, and then he did that job in about 10 days, and then 2 of the 3 rooms is already rented, and I left 1 space which is expected to be rented by next week. So I like to thank to Micky for helping me in the projects that I have, and then with his fast actions and work, it enabled me to rent out my properties in really fast speed. So what I like to say about Micky is that he is 快很准, which means that he's very fast, and then he's very aggressive, and he's very accurate. So if you are considering to use a Micky service, don't think any further. Just use it, and he will complete your job on time. He will take it seriously, and then I'm sure that you will get the renovation done very fast and nicely. Thank you.